so this should be an awesome feature event. Again, 25 laps the distance for the Markham's Welding front wheel drives. Lineup will look like this after the 4-car invert. Sitting on the pole out of Markham Welding, the 23 machine, Dylan Hoppus. Starting alongside out of Indianapolis, the number 94 machine, Travis Harmon. Row number 2 on the inside, we'll see the 64, second class qualifier out of Indianapolis, the 64 machine, Donald Van Valkenburg III.
There's Austin.
And starting alongside your fast qualifier, new track record holder and defending Markham's Welding front wheel drive point champion out of Anderson, the number 36, Josh Everett Jr. Speedway.
Get up there, boy.
Come on.
Still have the always entertaining Figure 8 to come with an App Supply Ford division in Figure 8 action. Take the tail.
Where Austin's at? Oh, shit.
Trying to get the field bunched up again after a lot electing to drop to the back. Trying to get the 44 of Austin Colton, 36G Brad Goodwin up to the field. 2 to go. 2 to go signal in the air for the Markham's Welding front wheel drives. Josh Everett Jr. Some major speed differences in this field also, so lap traffic is certainly going to play a factor. They take the tail.
Where Austin's at? Oh, shit.
Trying to get the field bunched up again after a lot electing to drop to the back. Trying to get the 44 of Austin Colton, 36G Brad Goodwin up to the field. 2 to go. 2 to go signal in the air for the Markham's Welding front wheel drives. Josh Everett Jr. Some major speed differences in this field also, so lap traffic is certainly going to play a factor. They are... go signal is out, lights are on.